For number 30 in our PBD book, page 156. A survey on the amount saved by student for a week is carried out. The result of the survey are shown in the OGIF. Okay, in the OGIF. Okay. Construct a frequency table for the money saved by the student using the class interval 5 to 9, 10 to 14, and so on. Then calculate the mean, variance, and standard deviation of the data. Okay. Usually, the questions give to us only the table of frequency. But now, the question gave to us the OGIF. So, how did we want to construct our frequency table? What did the OGIF give us? Cumulative frequency midpoint. Okay, good. Okay, so if you look at our two of the axes over here, okay. Alamak. Wait, yeah, sorry.
Kalau waktu nak construct graf ni kena cari cumulative. Kalau nak construct ni kena cari frequency. Betul?
Yalah, histogram. You didn't use the what? Cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency kan untuk OGIF saja. OGIF. Because our histogram and frequency polygon, we are going to looking at our frequency, not the cumulative frequency. Because OGIF kan dia jadi macam ni. So dia akan cumulative, using cumulative.
Kalau yang apa tadi
Yang tu untuk cumulative kita. Cumulative untuk histo and also polygon. Okay. Just now your friend said to us that the first thing we have over here is gonna be our x-axis here, frequency mana pula? Midpoint. Kan? Midpoint. Okay. And then we have over here our cumulative frequency. Okay. Based on our cumulative frequency, if you look there, we are going to determine first the plot we have there. Okay. So if you look at 4.5 there, we are going to start at 0. Am I right? Okay, we are going to have over here, we start with 0. Then, okay, this one I need to zoom in a little bit. Okay, 9.5 there. 9.5, if you look there, this one using the scale for cumulative frequency there is going to be 10 unit, isn't it?
Yes.
For our 10, so it means that we have over here 1, 2, 3. Am I right? Right? Can you understand?
Yes, sir.
Ni. 1, 2, 3. Kan? Then 14.5. 14.5 we are going to get what? Yes, it's going to be 1 unit there. So it's going to be 11. 19.5 you are going to get 27. Okay. Then 35. And last but not least, you are gonna get 40 over here. Okay. What did we have over here is our cumulative frequency. How did we get cumulative frequency? Zoro kan? Zoro. We are going to take the first of our class interval. Then we are going to add up to the next class interval so that we are going to get our cumulative frequency. Did you remember?
Yeah.
Right. So now we are going to use the given in our class interval given in our questions there is given what?
5, 9, 10.
Yes. 5, 9, 10, 4. Sorry. This is yellow. Okay. Kena tengok sama This one 5, 9. This one 10 to 14 here is gonna be for your next one there, 3. Good question. Sampai mana? Sampai bila-bila? No. If you look over here, how many plotted you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
2, 4, 6. Okay, remember, we are going to have our start from 0. Am I right?
Yes.
So from our frequency table previously, when we are going to have our first class interval, we are going to add another 1. Remember? Because we are going to have our frequency start at 0. Because when we are going to plot in our ogive or ogive, we are going to start at 0 and then we are going to have to until our number, the total of our frequency. Am I right? Am I right? So means that the 0 there, we are not going to have our class interval. The class interval here, 5 to 9, I'm going to get, that one is blue, sorry. This is going to be the blue one, 5 to 9. It's not 0. Can you understand?
So now you start from 0.
No, the class interval you are not going to, because we are going to have the previous one.
Dekat organ dia kan yang start from 0.
Ogive and ni apa? Polygon. Polygon also 0 until 0. We are going to add up class interval 0 and 0. Can you imagine that? Okay, so means that 10 to 14 over here, we are not going to get 11. Because remember, 3 for our 5 to 9. Means that to 10 and 14 over here, you are going to get the difference between, how did I get 3 to get 11?
11 minus 3?
11 minus 3.
9.
11 minus 3.
Oh, guys. Oh my god.
Good, 11 minus 3, 7, 9. Okay, so means that your first class interval, which is 5 to 9, is 3. The next one is going to be 8.
No.
Because 3 plus with 8, you're going to get 11. Am I right? Can you imagine how did I get the Z, Zoro, to get our primitive frequency? Can you imagine? Good. Okay. like this. Before I construct my... Why? Wait. Okay. Let me show to you a little bit only. Kan dah habis masa saya. Satu masa lagi. Okay. Like this. Okay. This is going to be our class interval. This is going to be for the class interval. What is our what we call the title or that one is going to be money safe, isn't it?
Yeah.
Money in RM. Okay. And this is going to be our frequency. Okay. So if you remember, we are going to have our cumulative frequency to construct or to plot our ogive, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. So the cumulative frequency over here, we are going to start at 0. There, from our ogive there, right? 0, you got 3, you got 11, you got 27, you got 35, you got 40, the last one, right? Okay. So the first one over here, this one is not going to be start with our 5 to 9. 5 to 9, you are going to start here. This one, 5 to 9. Means that your frequency here is not 0. We are going to start with 3. No, 3 first. No, that one kan bila kita nak buat kita punya ogive, remember back? Look back in our previous one. Wait ya, mana kita buat kita punya ogive class? Kan kita construct ogive. Here. Your self practice 7.2. This one. This one given to us the, what is that? That is your table of frequency. If you look over here, it's not start with 0. You are the one going to start at 0. You are the one are making the 0 there because we are going to plot 0, start from 0. So we are going to find our what? Our own midpoint here. Remember?
Yeah.
Okay, so means that this one, how to find our this one, upper boundary. Sorry, upper boundary lah, midpoint pula. Huh? So means that what we have in our OGIF just now, this one, everything here. Now our job, we are going to find this one. This one given.
Oh, no problem.
Yeah, this one given. Okay, so we start with what? Just now. 5 to 9. Can.
Yeah.
5 to 9. 10
14.
to 14. Means that we are going to have cumulative frequency over here. You are not going to start with 0. You are going to start with 3. Means that you are going to have your frequency here is 3. Okay. So means that your cumulative frequency here we got from our OGIF just now is 11. Am I right?
Yeah.
So this one is 11. So how big from 3 here?
Minus.
So means that you are going to get 11 minus with 3. We are going to get this one.
8.
We are going to reverse. That's what I'm trying to explain just now. Okay, look back. This one just try to confuse you only. Okay, so means that in our OGIF just now is cumulative frequency, isn't it?
Yeah.
So to get our own frequency, not our own lah. Okay, to get our frequency here, we got given already 5 to 9 is 3. So means that if you are going to find the second one is going to be 10 to 14. So if you are going to find 10 to 14, means that from 11 just now, we are going to times pula. Minus 3, you are going to get 8. Pandai dah. So next one. 10. Okay, this one. How big? For the class interval, girls, this one given to us 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many? 5. Okay, so means that after 14, we are going to get 15. 15 until 20. 19. 15 is going to be included. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Can you see? So sorry because I need to explain to you very, very clear so that you are not going to make any mistake later. I'm not saying that this one easy, you all know. You all but I know lah, all of you. Okay, so this one 10 to 14 done. Next is gonna be we are gonna get 15 to 19. This one also you can see the pattern. So sorry, that one also you can see the pattern. 5 to 9, 15 to 19. So the other one, 20 to 24. Yes, correct. Okay, so to get my frequency there, what should I do? 27 minus with 11. Do not minus with 8. 16 over here. Can you understand? So when I want to have if I want to check, if I want to plot my OGIF now, I'm going to get my cumulative frequency. We are going to start at 0. 0 plus 3, 3. 0. 3 plus 8, you got 11. 11 plus 16. Did you get 27?
Yes.
Can.
Understand.
Clearly, right? Okay. Now is gonna be the next one here is gonna be
20 to 24.
yeah, 20 to 24. So over here we are gonna get 35 minus with 27. You are gonna get 8. Can? Then last one over here. Tak perlu lah. 40 dah. Yes, 24 to 29. Aku bercakap je. 25 to 29. 40 minus with 35. 5. That's gonna be your frequency table. Done already.
Oh my god.
That's all. Not that's all for today. Belum lagi. That's for our A1. Okay. Sometimes the question a little bit tricky because we only know, we are going to construct our what? Histogram, we are going to construct our polygon frequency, we are going to construct our OGIF, and sometimes if the question give to us like this, you know how to tackle. Okay, can I proceed? Now, this one the easy one lah. Calculate the mean, variance, and standard deviation. This one by using your formula only. So, you have already your what we call our frequency table. Okay, let me take the frequency table here. So sorry I didn't use the proper table here. Wow. Okay. Now, if I want to find for our mean, can I straight away find from my frequency table here? Yes. Why? Mean. The total of fx over our total of f. F is what? Yes, you have only frequency. Did you have your midpoint? So what should you do? Yes, kita buat table dulu kelas. Okay, let me pause first our recording. Okay, midpoint. This one is gonna be our x. After that, gonna be our f times x, and then we are going to find for our fx square. Okay, so find for me 5, 9 midpoint. 5 plus 9 divided by 2, 7. 10 plus 14 divided by 2, 12. 15 plus 17, 22, 27. Okay, now find for me f times with x. 3 times 7, 21. 8 times 12, 96. 16 times 17, 272. 8 times 22, 176. 135. Then find for me frequency 3 times with 7 square. 147. 7. 1152. Come again?
Frequency times the midpoint.
F times x. Frequency times the midpoint. So fx square there, you have to square our x there, not the frequency. Come again? 8 times 12 square? 1152. 16 times 7? 4624. 3872. 3645. Okay. So remember back how to find our mean. Mean here we are going to use the total, isn't it? Total of fx. So find for me the total of fx over here, 21. 700. 700 only?
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna put over here 700 over total of our frequency. Yes, this one is gonna be total of frequency. Here is 40. So by using your calculator, 17.5. Okay, that's gonna be for your mean. Next, we are going to find our what the question asks? Variance. Okay, so by using our formula, the total of fx square. Am I right?
Yes.
3645 over the total of frequency 40. We are going to...
That one is not total. 3645 is not total.
La ilaha illallah. Sorry. I thought we do the total already this one. What? 13440. Okay, 13440 divided by total of frequency minus with our mean square, isn't it?
Yes.
So 17.5 square. So by using your calculator, 29.75. Okay, the easy one should be our what? Standard deviation. You are going to square root of our variance, 29.75 over here. So you are going to get 5.45. That's it. Can, girls?
Yes.
Okay, as long as you can. Okay, so I stop here.